ASOT, in partnership with USAID, hosted an advocacy workshop titled An Advocacy Workshop for the Accelerated and Effective Reintegration of Ex-Combatants in Tigray on October 24, 2024. The workshop brought together various stakeholders to discuss strategies for effectively reintegrating former combatants into civilian life. Barihu Gabramadin, project manager of the Tigray Civil Society Union, emphasized that the workshop aimed to validate data collected from different provinces and seek stakeholder collaboration in implementing the reintegration process.
I think the aim of this meeting is we done a lot of work at different waradas. For example, Shere, Makale, and Macho. So we compile this report and we need to approve by the stakeholders the data we got from the different waradas, so that they can be accredited and done or used for implementation purpose.
Tesfaye Lilai, the demobilization coordinator of the National Reform Commission's Tigray branch, shared that preparations are being finalized for the first round of reintegration of the Tigray army, with implementation set to begin shortly.
The demobilization, ያው ጊዜ ናይ ባዕሉ መንገዲ ጊዜና ሰደካፍቱ ለአንጻር ናይ ባዕሉ ዝኾነ መጎታት እኳ ተሃለወ.
Even if the demobilization has its own drawbacks, we are now at the final stage of the reintegration process.
The project manager also highlighted ASOT's ongoing activities across Shere, Macho, and Makala, and urged the international community to contribute to the DDR process to foster global peace.
We carry out different meetings at different waradas. For example, Shere at 3 steps of the warada, we cascaded the meeting for attaining different opinions from the society. I think with regard to messages to the international community, by the way, this is not the responsibility of Tigray only, because there are different activities are carried out by the ex-combatants, by both the parties, the different parties. Then this different operation goes up to violation of human rights. Anything carried out by violation of human rights or that violates human rights is not the responsibility of the region only. It is all society or the international community's responsibility. They are responsible. We have shared responsibility in this, so that in order to pass the message for the international community, this is not our willing. It's not done by our willing. So it's a part of violation of the human rights. Therefore, they have to participate in this DDR process, because to bring peace here in Tigray means to bring peace for Africa, for all international community.